What's up, Flipsiders? Welcome back to our channel. So today we're just gonna film a video how we do our base. So just simple, not simple. It might not be simple.
It's not really that simple.
It's not really that simple, I guess. But just how we do our base. So how we do our foundation, concealer, blush, contour, and all that stuff. So yeah, let's jump right in.
Let's do this. So I'm going to take the Urban Decay Optical Illusion Complexion Primer.
And I'm going to take my Becca First Light Priming Filter. And now I'm going to take my Lancome my Lancome Feels... I'm going to take my Lancome Skin Feels Good foundation in the color Nude.
Ooh, scandal. I'm going to take the Peach Perfect Comfort Matte Foundation in the shade Swan, which is the lightest shade, in case you were wondering.
So when I do my foundation, I don't like to put too much under my eyes because I'm already going to put concealer. So I try and put really light amount under my eyes and on my nose. I just don't like to put too many products under my eyes because I feel like I get all creasy. I'm going to conceal with my Huge because I just don't have another product that I like using. So this is my Bobbi Brown Color Corrector in Light Peach.
Yeah. I'm going to use the Naked Skin Concealer by Urban Decay in the shade Fair, which is also what I usually use. I'm also using the concealer to very lightly add some highlight to the center of my face, just to kind of bring some dimension.
Now I'm going to use my Becca Aqua Luminous Perfecting Corrector, which is just a concealer. And just put a little bit there and there. Just a touch. Touch.
No? Alright. Because you said just a touch, and then... Did you get it? Alright, and I'm going to very lightly set just my under eyes.
Ditto. Now I'm going to take my Milk Makeup Matte Bronzer in Baked.
And I'm going to take the Fenty Beauty Fenty Beauty Match Stick in the shade Amber.
I'm going to do my highlight. I'm going to use my Clinique Chubby Stick Sculpting Highlight. Hefty in the color 1, Hefty Highlight, I guess is what it's called. I like this really pretty pinkish color. Oops.
You're a pretty pinkish color.
Oh, thank you.
For highlight, I'm going to use the Tarte highlight in the shade Exposed Highlight. Wow, I just said highlight like a lot of times. It's starting to sound silly. Highlight. Highlight.
Anyways, now that I'm done with all my cream products, I'm going to set the rest of my face. So I'm going to use my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish powder in the shade 2.
Then I'm going to take one of my favorite blushes in like the entire world. It's the Milani blush in the shade Luminoso.
I'm going to take a new blush I got from my July BoxyCharm, and it's by the brand Note, which I've never heard of. And it's the Luminous Silk Compact Blusher. Oh, is it a British company? Blusher. And the color number 5, Desert Rose. And it's this really kind of pretty peachy color.
Yeah, I'd say that's peachy.
So I'm just going to go light-handed because I've never used it, so. That's enough of that. That is really pigmented. Woo! Can you see that? I barely dipped in. But it is a really pretty color.
It's like a really nice shade on you.
Thank you.
I can see you in the thing, so that's where I'm like, you're like, does it look good? I'm like, yeah, I can see it over there.
Yeah, we're working out trying to do a viewfinder because we film with my iPhone. And it was really hard before, so we're trying out a viewfinder. So for brows, I'm going to use this new thing I got in my July BoxyCharm, and this is the Cella Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream.
Ooh.
So yeah, the
Fancy,
product is
fancy,
here,
fancy.
and I guess there's like a brush on this side. So let's try this.
I'm really intrigued, so I kind of want to watch.
I'm really intrigued too. I'm going to brush my eyebrows first.
Okay, I'm just going to use the Anastasia Brow Powder Duo in the shade Taupe. And then I'm going to take my Glossier Boy Brow Gel, which I love.
Always looks crazy when you have brows and nothing else.
I know.
I'm going to set my face with my MAC Fix Plus.
I'm going to use the same one I always use, the Kat Von D Lock-It Makeup Setting Mist.
And yeah. So yeah, this is my final base look. I probably wouldn't have done my eyebrows, but we are going to jump into an eyeshadow video after this, which I do like my eyebrows done when I put eyeshadow on. But if it was just an everyday, I wouldn't put my brows on because they look crazy. But yeah, that's my normal glowy light coverage look that I like to do.
Yeah. And I actually really love this foundation. I only just started using it kind of recently. I really like it. Maybe not with this primer, but anyway, I like them both separately. But yeah, this is I usually do kind of medium coverage kind of situation, medium to more full. And yeah, so thanks for watching. Like if you liked it, and subscribe if you want to be subscribed. Yes, and check us out on Instagram.
We'll be there.
Yes.
Trying to post things, but also we have full-time jobs, so that's hard. Anyways, we'll catch you on the flip side.